Location number 4, communication plan and procurement plan templates. We'll talk about it. We'll start with the communication plan templates. The general information we have to fill it first: project name, project manager, instruction to see online help ensure the tools options indicator is checked. Fill in each section of this template. There are 4 tabs: 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll check one by one. Post this communication plan where is the project team and other stakeholders can easily reach it. Here we have to write the document version, location and access for the documents, the plan modification rules, who may change it, under what circumstance, the approval if approval required, and from who, announcement required, and any assumption. Let's go to part number 2, the plan details. We have to enter row each type of plan communication you expect it to occur during the project, and add additional row as needed. First, stakeholder. This example, a stakeholder such as sponsor, project manager, project team, customer, or QC team. His role, for example, include the sponsor, client, vendor, developer, and what he's doing in the project, his role in the responsibility in the project. Information required: this could be project status, defect counts, report, cost, or schedule variance date. From who is the sender for these details? From this person of a group. Schedule delivery. For example, you have a delivery, you want to inform that this delivery will be after 4 weeks, after 4 days, like this. Means of delivery: print, report, email, website posting, team meeting. The format: template to use, the type of the print of your presentation. We are using this form to communicate someone, and you are putting here the details for the plan of the communication, what the type of the documents, what type of information we have to write it. This is the start date for this communication, and this is the end date. Here we can enter additional information if you want to do it. Group membership. Here we have to enter the required information. Group name, sponsor, how many sponsors included, and this member name, and this phone number, his email. Risk management team, quality team have to include their contacts also. This is a team, project team. Standing meeting for. If you have a meeting, you have to write the meeting name, the purpose of the meeting, the schedule, when, the place, the location, the contact person who arranges a meeting. Here's the local location of agenda minutes, where we will keep the minutes of meeting. Here's an attendees names. This is the 4 parts of the communication plan. All the documents will be available end of the course. I will mention the link where you can download the, all these templates. We'll go to next template is the procurement management plan template. Project procurement management plan templates include as any template we have to put the organization name, the company logo, here is the project name, prepared by whom, date, project initiation phase. This portion of the procurement plan document is used to provide the project selection team with general information about the possible purchase of goods and service. Number, approval signature are required. No approval signature are required for this template. This only for to collect the information inside it. Here is section number 1, procurement statement. We have to describe in general terms what product or service are being considered for procurement, which project needed, the estimated cost. Part number 2, the estimated cost of the required product or service. We have to estimate the cost for this procure, include confined limit for your estimation, for example plus or minus 20%. Part number 3, vendor selection. Describe what approach of the project team will take to select the product or vendor through RFI or RFP or IFP, how they will select or evaluate the vendors. Project planning phase is portion. The procurement plan documents provide detailed information about how vendor products and service will be chosen, the kind of contract will be used, how vendor will be managed, and who will be involved at each stage of the process. This document should be approved by appropriate individual before the actual procurement process begins. Number 1, procurement definitions describe in specific terms what item will be procured and under what conditions. Number 2, selection process and criteria, how we selected. Number 3, project procurement team, name, phone and email, and the procurement role. For example, procurement roles: procurement officer, project manager, business officer, contract administrator. Responsibility, you can name it, responsibility for each member in this team. We can also list all stakeholders who involved in the procurement process along with contract information and description of their procurement role. Contract type, here the type of contract we will use for this procure part. Number 5, contract standards, provides a standard for documentation that will be for each contract. Number 6, vendor management, describe what steps the project team will take to ensure that the vendor provide all the product or service, and only the product or service that were agreed upon and the appropriate level of quality are maintained. Number 7, link to related planning documents, provide hyperlink to related documents such as change request management plan, vendor payment plan, and so on. Number 8, project management plan signature, project name, project manager, and who should approve or who should sign the form. The signature above indicate understanding of the purpose of content of this document by those signed it. By signing this document, they agree to this formal project procurement plan. Once it's approved, there is a plan to start procuring, and they will start. In next lecture, we still in planning templates. We'll check the project plan templates and the quality and the risk in next lecture.